Welcome back to another cooking episode with Cooking with Kaya. On today's meal, we will be making Big Mac burgers and French fries. Stay tuned to see what it looks like. The seasonings that I'll be using are Kinder's Onion Burger Seasoning, garlic powder, salt, paprika. Wash that ass in the shower seasoning. It's going to season the meat. Pepper, onion powder, parsley. And you're going to mix it all together. You're going to then use 3 to 4 baked potatoes to make your French fries. This is what your meat should look like after you mix it together. I'm going to make the patties out of the meat. What I will be using to make my Big Mac sauce: relish, wash that ass sauce, mustard, mayonnaise, pickles, lettuce, and last but not least, brioche sesame seed buns. This is what your patties should look like, and then you're going to pop them on the stove.